This is bearing shock pulse analyzer, bearing analyzer 110 model. The bearing shock pulse analyzer measures bearing shock pulse and gives the condition of the bearing in good, bad, reduced condition. The bearing shock pulse analyzer has a bearing probe which has to be tightened in the input provided on the instrument, where it is written as BRG. It's a TNC connector. You have to tighten it. After getting the connector into the input, now the measurement can be done in two ways, with data and without data. Now we are going to measure the bearing shock pulse with data, and for with data measurement you need bearing ISO catalog number and RPM, and the bearing catalog ISO number for the bearing housing which we are testing is 111 The last three digits, that is 212, have to be entered in the place given as ISO in the instrument. The last three digits 212 have to be entered. After entering 212, then RPM has to be entered. For this test rig, the RPM is 1490, which has to be entered in the place given in the instrument and have to be entered 1490. Once after entering the RPM, press set key to get the mean dia of the instrument, which the mean dia of the bearing which the instrument itself calculates. Then press set to get BSTD number. BSTD number automatically the instrument calculates. Now we are ready with the measurement of bearing. The screen which is showing with data. Now the bearing probe has to be kept nearest to the bearing housing. Now in the test rig, a slot has been made, a groove, to make the bearing housing fix, bearing probe fix into the groove. After pressing the bearing probe onto the bearing, press M key to measure. Now the SPT has shown 2 signal process time, and after the result of signal process time, the result is showing in green, yellow, red zones, good, bad, reduced condition, and it is showing green. Now the result which is showing green is good condition, yellow is reduced, and red is bad condition. Now we are moving to next measuring point with ISO number 22210. So 210 has to be entered in the place given in the instrument 210. The RPM is same 1490, and once you enter, press set to get the mean dia and press set to get the BSTD number. Now press the bearing probe to the bearing housing and press M key to get the result. Now SPT is showing 0 of 2, 1 of 2 and 2 of 2, and after 2 cycles you will get a result with data. Without data you will get HA LA values which can be seen on the instrument. HA minus LA is delta value, and that gives the condition of the bearing. Less than 10, now the test rig, there is a groove wherein the bearing probe can be easily fixed there. Now we are measuring with data with the bearing probe, and we will be entering BG, bearing group 1. A factor has to be kept in question mark after the result, and SPT 2 or 3 if the RPM is greater than 500 or 600. Now press the bearing probe against the bearing housing and press M key. The measurement starts, and SPT will show 0 of 2, 1 of 2 and 2 of 2, and you will get the result in good, bad, reduced condition in green, yellow, red zones with an arrow mark, and BSTD A, B, C, D, LFT, lubrication film thickness 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the result has come. It is showing good condition, green arrow mark, and BSTD A, LFT 2. Now the result has been completed, and with the result you can say the bearing is in good condition with green good zone and BSTD A, LFT.